Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fantabulous. Me, I am top of the world. Fit as fiddle, students. The day before yesterday, we have discussed WH family. In that, we have discussed what, when, where, which, what is used for uh, to get more and more information about somebody. And when is used for calendar, why is used for reason, and where is used for place. Now today we will discuss the other topics, that likewise who, whose, who, which. Now just have a look. Students, the thing is that आप ये सोच रहे होंगे कि why we are learning the concepts, why we are learning the root part. Just imagine the things your elder ones, your grandparents asked to read the newspaper. If you are not able, then the question arises obviously among your parents that what is in the need of getting education. So each and every part you should know. So students, who, we are using who is used for identity. वट क्या था, आप कहोगे मैम वट और हु सिमिलर है. नो, वट हम किसी पर्सन के बारे में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इंक्वायरी करते हैं, इंफॉर्मेशन गेन करते हैं. अब हु होता है हम किसी की पहचान बताना, किसी की पहचान से हमें इंटीमेट करवाना है. लाइकवाइज एक पर्सन है, वो क्लास के अंदर फ्रेशर है, फ्रेशर को मैंने क्या बताया था, न्यू कमर या फिर ग्रीन हॉर्न. वो पर्सन क्लास में फ्रेशर है, तो teacher enters in the class and teacher obviously asks that who are you? I haven't seen you before. मैंने आज से पहले तो आपको क्लास में नहीं देखा. Who are you? तो बच्चे कहेंगे मैम he is newcomer और he is greenhorn, right? या फिर मैं टीचर पूछेगा कि do you know about me? Obviously that person said that yes ma'am I know about you. Then ma'am will ask obviously that who told you about me. So ma'am will give the answer that student will give the answer, I will come through students. So this is the part of who, एक पर्सन की पहचान बताना. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पारी आती है whose used for ownership. Ownership means मालिक. Got it? मैं कहूँ whose marker is this, whose marker is this. हम क्लास में जनरली कहते हैं कि नोटबुक प्लेस होती है बेंच के ऊपर, डेस्क के ऊपर. कोई बच्चा भूल जाता है, स्टूडेंट विल फॉरगेट द बुक एंड दैट पर्सन, वन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट विल आस्क दैट oh my god whose book is this, या who has left this book. who has left this book यहाँ आ गया ना आइडेंटिटी. और मैं कहूँ whose book is this, तो ये आ गया हमारा ऑनरशिप के लिए. ठीक है. अब लाइकवाइज देयर इज अ डाइस ऑन माय टेबल, तो मैं पूछूं, आई विल आस्क whose dice is this. आंसर, हाउ इज द आंसर, दिस डाइस इज माइन. ठीक है. whose whiteboard is this, this is mine whiteboard. whose bangles are these, these are my bangles. So this is the answer of whose. Ab whom is used for third person. Third person mean to say we have already discussed about first, second and third person in our pronoun. In first person I and we is there, second one you and your, and in third person he, she, it, they, या फिर name या them. ठीक है. तो let us take an example of whom. To whom are you telling, to whom are you lying, to whom are you hiding the truth, to whom do you go to market. In fact, I'll see one of my student in the market, so I will ask the student, he wished to meet, and I asked that beta to whom are you going. He said ma'am I am going with my friend or with my elder brother. This is the thing. तो हमने क्या लगाया, whom used for third person. Keep it in mind. Which which is used for choice. ठीक है, choice कैसे? You are going to market as your birthday comes, or generally your parents give some but beautiful gift to you. Then they will ask you to go to market, and you will go there, and your parents said that beta, which color, which dress would you like to choose or would you like to purchase? तो चॉइस आ गई ड्रेस में, है ना? ठीक है, सो दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ विच. या इन अदर केस स्टेशनरी शॉप में वो लिखे जाते हैं, आपने ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स या बैग लेना है, दे विल आस्क यू दैट बेटा विच बैग वुड यू लाइक टू टेक यानी वुड यू लाइक टू हैव, और विच वन वुड यू लाइक टू टेक. ठीक है, सो विच इज यूज फॉर चॉइस. आई थिंक these are all clear to you. Hope everything is clear. Have a nice day, have a calm day, have an enthusiastic day.